Hi, I'm Kira, your AI coach. If you're in education and AI feels like something everyone's talking about, but no one's actually explaining, you're not alone. In the next 2 minutes, I'll explain to you what AI is, what generative AI does, and why it's becoming less of an added extra and more a part of everyday school life. So, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means a computer can do things we usually associate with human thinking, like spotting patterns, making suggestions, or learning from data. But AI doesn't think. It's not magic. And it's certainly not human. It works more like this. I've seen patterns like this before, so I'll make my best guess at what should come next. That's why it's important to always check the responses it gives you. And you're probably using AI already, even if you haven't noticed. Netflix lining up your next box set. AI. Alexa setting your alarm. AI. Sat nav choosing the best route. You guessed it. AI. Now, what exactly is generative AI? Think of it like a pupil who doesn't just revise the textbook. They use what they've learned to write a brand new essay. Generative AI doesn't just analyze what's already there, it creates something new. You give it a task called a prompt, and it might draft a letter to parents, suggest a model text, adapt a worksheet for different reading levels, spot trends in attendance or attainment, or even support you at home by helping you choose what to cook with the leftovers in your fridge. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot all use generative AI. Generative AI can be a bit like a pupil who's great at recalling facts, but doesn't always see the bigger picture. It doesn't truly understand context, and sometimes it can reflect bias in the examples it's learned from. That's why it needs you, your professional judgment and your oversight. And just like you wouldn't share personal pupil information in the playground, never put it into public AI tools. Stick to approved platforms and follow your school's AI policy to stay fully GDPR safe. So now you've got a clearer idea of what AI is and how it works. The key takeaway? AI is a tool that predicts based on patterns it's seen before. It doesn't think like a human, and it isn't always factually correct because it gathers information from so many different sources. That means some of it may be outdated, inaccurate, or just not right for your context, and why your professional judgment is essential for reviewing, refining, and approving anything it generates. In the next video, we'll explore best practice in AI use in UK education. You don't need to be an expert, just ready to explore, learn, and stay curious. So, with that in mind, let's go.